Hey, hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 22nd September 2021. Here, this is the problem they have given three vehicles, number of passengers. So they will pass the three types and three vehicles. We just need to print what are the maximum possibilities or what are the possibilities that the passenger can occupy the seats. Here this is the number of seats for the vehicles 5, 4, 10. So we just need to print all those values in ascending order. So the minimum value in it is 4, 5, and the combination of 4 and 5 will give you 9, 10, 10 plus 14, 10 plus 4 will give you 14, 10 plus 5 will give you 15, and if we add all the values we will get 19. So this is the maximum possibilities. Like if I take the input part as ABC, the combination will be something like that: A, B, C, AB, AC, BC, ABC. So we will get only 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 combination from this input always, because the input size is fixed, right? So let's solve this in a programmatical way. First input part ABC. So those values are space separated, right? So I'm using a map function to typecast it into an integer and input dot split to get all those values separatively. So if I do that, we'll get ABC values respectively. Now we just need to create a list, and that list should contains list dot append of A. Likewise, we just need to add B, C, and AB, BC, like that. So instead of doing ABC values, we can initialize the list with A, B, C, just like that. Also we can do the values for A plus B, B plus C, A plus C, A plus B plus C. So the list will be updated as the respective values. We just need to print the list in a shorted form. Shorted of list. And to get rid of the square bracket and commas in between values, we can specify star to print the values inside the list. So if I save and run this, for the value 5, 4, 10, we got 4, 5, 9, 10, 14, 15, 19, which is nothing but a record output. So instead of doing this thing in a 3-line, why don't we go for 1-liner? Yeah, I mean that. So first input part, we just need to pass A, B, C values, which is nothing but map of in comma input dot split and we just need somebody to catch the values, right? For that I'm using a lambda function, lambda, with the parameters A, B and C. So we just need to print the list, shorted of list, with the asterisks in before them. So obviously we do without putting the value, we just need to put the thing which was stored in the value. So if we do that, we can get rid of the 3 lines. So let me save and run this. We'll get some nasty error, that for sure. No, we did it. It's working properly. So that's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Here, this is the code for review. Hope you really understand what we are doing here. If you get stuck or if you got something on your mind, feel free to let me know through the comments. So see you guys. See you soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye.